All right, Green Bay memorabilia collectors. This is the video to find the winner of my second Jerry Kramer Hall of Fame full-size rep helmet. We'll check the time, August 3rd at 8:23 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. We have August 3rd, 8:23 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Ollie. Spot number 5 is our winner. So, Ollie, please get with me to collect your Kramer. There is our verification code, our timestamp. Once again, August 3rd, 8:23 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.